Back off, man. I'm a scientist.
I collect spores, molds, and fungus.
Hi, I'm Matt, I'm a Ghostbuster, and I do science stuff! Whoa! It feels like a volcano's going to erupt! Hello, how you doing? So today, I thought I'd try out a couple of science kits that I bought from a toy store. Now you can buy these kind of things in the toy section of any department store, or if you go to somewhere like Toy World, they have a whole section just devoted to science kits. There's some really awesome stuff. You can spend an absolute buttload of money. There's so much cool stuff to do. But today I thought I'd give Volcanic Eruptions a try and Avalanche Mountain. Now, the great thing about these is they come with absolutely everything that you need to get done. I think the only thing I need to add to both of them is water, which comes from a tap. So, awesome. I'll get started on these and let's see how they go. Alright, so the really great thing about this kit is, like I said before, they come with absolutely everything you need in the box, even safety glasses. Alright, so for the Volcano, I've mixed some tartaric acid, I've mixed that in with water and food colouring. And now I'm going to add some bicarb soda, and it should produce a reaction. Oh! That is so good, look at that! That was a much better reaction than I was expecting. Wow. Alright, we're back again. So, that worked wonderfully, but because I'm a big doofus head, I forgot to push record on my second camera. So we're going to do it again with the second camera recording. Let's go. Ah, Volcano! I'm really stoked with those results. It's epic. Wow. I mean, this kit's only cost me $5 too. $5 well spent. Alright, so I've still got a heap of leftover product, so I'm going to mix up a much bigger batch inside a bottle and see if I can get a bigger reaction happening. So I'll do that now. Alright, so I've mixed all the leftover tartaric acid, mixed it with equal parts water, and I'm going to add the bicarb now. It's fizzing a lot. It looks cool. It's not bubbling over. Alright, so let's give Avalanche Mountain a go. Now, the ingredients for this one is just called snow powder. Apparently it's how they make artificial snow. So I don't quite know what compound is in it, but all you got to do is add water. It's working, look at that. It's very slow. Get my container of water. Keep adding it. Wow. Well, maybe a bit too much water. It's a really interesting consistency. That camera's probably terrible, but that one's probably okay captured. Wow. And it makes like jelly. Doesn't quite feel like real snow. It's close though. I saw real snow for the first time back in 2006, and then I got to live in Michigan for several months, and that was in 2008. Snowed insanely. It was wonderful, just months and months of snow. I loved it so much. That's pretty cool though. Wow, it's like a jelly powder. It's cool. Again, another $5 well spent, I reckon. Alright, so that'll do for today's episodes, but I'll see you again next time. Bye!